What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube video. So as you can tell by the title, today we are doing another makeup tutorial. So yes, if you want to see this bomb look, watching. And yeah, let's get into it. Off with wiping my face with a makeup remover. So for brows today, we are using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in a color dark brown. And I'm just going in with this angle brush. Start at the tail. Then I'm gonna go in with my spoolie just to brush out the front and give it an ombre natural look. Then I'm going in with this flat brush to clean up my brows, and I'm gonna do that with LA Girls concealer, and I'm gonna use the color Cool Tan. I'm just gonna go under and over with it just to clean them up a little bit. And you want to use a color that's closer to your skin tone on the top so that it looks more natural. Just gonna take the remaining concealer and just put it on my eyelids as a base. So I'm gonna blend out my brows and then I will be back. Alright guys, so off camera all I did was just blend in the concealer on the top and the bottom using this small blending brush from Real Techniques, I believe. And now I am just going to set this with some setting powder. So for setting powder, if you've watched my other makeup tutorial, Airspun, which is from the drugstore, I believe it's from, you can find it at like Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. What was so messy? I'm just gonna take that on that same brush and just pack it. This is just gonna prevent your eyeshadow from creasing. You don't need too much. You just want enough to where your eyeshadow's not gonna crease and that you're just setting it. Okay, that's that. So for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be going in with this palette. It's called Beauty Glaze. I'm not sure where it's from, but it has all colors, damn near all colors in here. I'm gonna go into this fuchsia. I believe that's the color. I think it's either fuchsia or hot pink, or it's like a mixture right there at the top, the forefront in a row. So I'm just gonna take this on the eyeshadow brush. It's very pigmented. Do y'all see how pigment? They're super pigmented. It looks kind of purple, hot pink purple on camera, but it's super pretty. Just gonna take that and okay, this is very cute. Save for this really, really pretty Barbie pink. With some eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna be using Black Radiance. Just gonna prime my face. And just wait for this to dry. So with the lashes, I have so many lashes. Alright guys, now we're back. I've added lashes and the milk of magnesia has dried. Now we're gonna get into the foundation. Application and everything. So super sad that I don't get to use my Too Faced Place, even though it's a matte foundation, and I don't really like matte foundations, but it's full coverage. I don't know, I just wanted to use it. Take this is RT200 expert face brush. I just go in with this to blend everything. I'm gonna take some setting spray, so dry. To go in and brighten things up because I'm looking real no definition, giving me vibes. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the medium beige to give definition. So this is gonna be our highlighter. Put that on the bridge of my nose, slim as possible for that snatch look. And then a little, I'm gonna spray this with some of my dewy so we're going with our setting powder. I'm taking that on a beauty blender. Really packing it into your skin is going to prevent your makeup from creasing, and it's really good to do if you have oily skin. This is the Cocoa Contour by Too Faced palette. I'm going into the deep dark shade. Set my face once, and I'm taking my Dewy Finish by NYX, and I'm just gonna cover my eyes because I don't want it to get all wet. And yeah, yes, you want to drop your face in there. I am going to go and put some mascara for the top and bottom lashes. I'm just gonna mash the lashes, the falsies, and my real lashes together, just so they blend. Also with my bottom lash, I'm gonna smoke it out with the same pink that I have on my eyelashes. I said eyelashes, the same pink I have on my eyelids. I'm gonna smoke it out a bit. My Anastasia blush, 3 beautiful colors. Take down this big fluffy. Gotta do the fakes now, in case you don't know where your cheekbones at. And some highlighter. Oops, messy. Everybody always asks, how much highlighter is too much? It's never too much. Come through, highlight. Right now I'm just using a cream contour to line my lips. I find it to be better to use a dark cream contour than a lip liner because it comes out more pigmented and just darker and better. Brad's lips today. Underlining is his style now because I just made it his style. So for lips today, we're gonna go in with this butter gloss. I want to say it's called Fortune Cookie Creme Brulee. Creme Brulee. My bad. It smells so good. It smells like Skittles. Okay, now we're gonna go in for one more spray. We're going with our Morphe setting spray just to set the whole face. And it's just that on there right here. Guys, so this is the end result of the makeup tutorial. This is how it came out. I do have a ring light on. By the way, this wig is from my collections called Style Collections. I will have the link and everything down in the bio, in my bio and everything, in the description box. Not my bio, my bad. In the description box, products, everything will be down below. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And bye. See you next time.